Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix Face ID not working for App Store. It seems that Face ID is not working when users wants to install or purchase apps. You can use Face ID to purchase apps, games and other content from the App Store. If you cannot authenticate your App Store purchase with Face ID, you will need to enter your Apple ID password. If Face ID works, you will only need to double click the side button while glancing at your iPhone or iPad. If Face ID is not working for the App Store, you will not see the double click or to install option. Instead, you will be presented with an install button that you can tap to install the app. If you are having this issue, it can create an inconvenience. Having to enter your Apple ID password can get annoying if you are downloading apps often. Before continuing, ensure that the App Store is allowed to use Face ID. You can check for this, open settings, scroll down and go to Face ID and passcode. It will ask you to enter your passcode, so enter your iPhone's passcode. Then ensure that iTunes and App Store is enabled. If it is off, turn it on. After turning it on, Face ID will work again. If this was already on, then go to next steps. In this video, I provide 2 possible fixes, but first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is sign out of the App Store and then sign in back. Sign out and then back into your App Store. For this, open App Store first. Corner, tap your profile icon. Scroll all the way down and then tap sign out. Then scroll up and then tap sign in with Apple ID and sign in again. And you are done. And the next step is reset Face ID. On your device, go to settings, scroll down and then tap on Face ID and passcode and enter your passcode. Now scroll down and here you can see the option of reset Face ID. Tap on it. Now restart your iPhone or iPad and open the Face ID settings again and turn back on everything you just turned off. Check if the Face ID can be used to buy or download apps. If not, continue. Open the Face ID settings again and turn off everything again. Everything under the use Face ID for section. And then tap the red reset button. After tapping the reset option, a new button will appear saying set up Face ID. Tap that and follow the on-screen instruction to set up Face ID again. After setting up Face ID, turn on all the features that you have turned off and you are done. I hope this solution will fix your issue of Face ID not working for App Store.